So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover using CloudTrace on Kubernetes engine. So simply click on Start Lab. Once the lab is started, right click over here and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Now from here, just do one thing, click on this to activate the Cloud Shell. Click on Authorize or click on Continue if it asks so. Let me increase the text size. Now let's come to the lab instruction, and if you're wondering how to enable the yellow checkmark progress bar, check the video description. Now first of all, let me just see. Okay, so first of all, let's change the directory. If it is not showing over here, what we need to do, we need to just set up. So first of all, just clone the repository. After that, just change the directory. Now set the region and zone. After that, we have to change the directory. So this is the way. Now just run the nano command to just open the editor. Now here what we need to do, here we have to simply remove the previous version and update it. So just use the down arrow key, and from here come above, right arrow key, here. Just now from here hit backspace up to here. Now from here just copy this version, copy it, paste over here. All things are correct. Now to save, Control X, Y, hit enter. Okay, Control X, Y, and then hit enter. Now just initiate the Terraform. After that, just run this. Now run the plan command. And after that, we have to simply apply. Now here, if it asks to type yes, you need to type yes. Let's see. Yes, it's asking. Just type yes in small letter and hit enter. Now here, it will take some time. Okay. It will take around 10 to 15 minutes for the cluster to get created. So wait for it. After that, we'll move forward to the next step. So finally waiting for 5 to 6 minutes, this thing is done. It may take longer for you. Now simply check the score over here. Now we have to deploy the demo application. So here it's showing created. Let's try to check the score. So what we need to do, we need to check whether the status has been updated or not. So from here, we have to search workloads. From here, we have to just go to the tracking demo. It's showing okay. So let's see. You can see we got the score. Now after that, okay, so we have to run this command on the Cloud Shell. Paste it over here, hit enter. Click on this URL. Continue. So now here we have to just add this, copy it carefully, and from here add arrow and just hit enter. So we have updated it. So just check the score over here. Wait for some time. Let's do one more thing. So Now let's see. So finally we got the score. So like this, you can update any random message after the equal to value. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.